cause yeah, man. Lal, what's good? What's poppin', Lal? Wicked people, man. You have to address the wicked ones sometime. You know, one people them like yourself, them are the one who wicked to you. You want black people, them are the one who wicked to you. See them one them like yourself. You know, so much of them me have black. When you look, they have all the man them are them friend. Right? And when they comment bad about me in English, black as you are, they have the Israelite man them a comment with them and put the finger with them, the man them a friend. And then bring them come bring man. Everybody hate me. But one thing I can tell you, so when I come talk about my bleaching cream, lot of no dirty girl me come for your address today. With no bad mind and no corruption and no hateful ways. You can't stop me no matter how you try. Because God will work with me. If God never work with me, I couldn't run out of door, run up from club to club and from man to man. But God will work with me. That's the reason why I'm here. God is working with me while I'm still here. That I think that's going to make a difference. I start my friend Yam do women now. Right, man, my clothes. All the time. Boy, I tell about it, you know. If you really come to that sushi, you know, buy some sushi last night. Some left over egg and bread this one. You have 2 sacks of sushi they take out for them. So I'm going to eat them there. The makeup ain't done today, good today. Cause I didn't plan for come on, so I put on a lot of makeup today. And I come in and I put on more, so I cannot not, you know. We're gonna make come on and put on more makeup, but I don't get the time to put it on a lot today. So I don't like when I put on more makeup, put up more crazy, I draw more attraction. People like to, you know, come more. Yeah. I like it because that's what I started out with. And I've been like that for years before I was popular. And that's why when we get popular, people run come look for me. Because remember the girl them man we see one time with the makeup sitting on? A long time on, so sometimes they laugh. Yeah. Me the first person was wearing color makeup like that. Me the only one who was doing it. The big eyebrow. Me the only one who was wearing it. Before I come in. Long time I wait before I come in. Great bottom that you have now. Okay. Fly. One can talk and I'm talking now and come up my full of cold. One talk but no more fly now. That's all. Now come on and go back feet. Come on. It's only 6 eggs what? It's only 6 eggs. I'm about 5 slices of bread, not much. I'm not going over. Man, I'm a long time before I come on. Not much else in there. That's why I have them. 1 slice of bread from the truth now. Now, anyway. I want to address some people. I'm coming. Yeah. I'm about to cover it up with the body. Keep turning my back. Don't forget them something to talk. That them come for goodie. That don't take it, yeah? Most of them gone do, I feel sorry for them. Most of them is black. The good is alright, they stay, the good ones stay. And the bad one was gone. Well, almost the bread done. All 5 slices gone. So So one egg left out of the sticks. Oh, damn. It happens, y'all. It happens all the time. Every time I said no, it said yes. Mm-hmm. Right back. Well, it's more red practice from now, yeah, cause you know, they too wicked man, too wicked. Who too nice, wicked and terrible. And call myself black people somehow, no. Imagine me selling little Robins. And I don't know what's going on, you know. But I tell you, I have something on my mind, but I miss so bad. It's killing me. It's killing me. Because I love my family, but I realize now I have no family. None at all, I have. Never one piece of them. I remember my son and whatever me have. Not even one piece of them not have. No family, Olivet Smelly don't have. Right, me and a sister wedding and she said, oh, she not deal with me. And I was like, me and I never have nothing from the last time me and her talk. Me not really call and talk up all the time. Me and I don't have nothing. Because me went through a whole set of crap, you know. And me still have good heart, you know, and forgiving and just let by. And you still come and bring me down. Me can't deal with that goodie. Somebody with a long old comment for me cream and me I try sell about cancer and cream with cancer and blah blah blah. And me I said to myself, what a nasty drunk of them. What a day that rest in peace them. What a drunk of them. Imagine Olivet smelling out there sell herself. She a pray to God and sell her little Robins to a good who want buy Robins. Remember, she not tell people for rub, you know. People are rub long time and buy cream from the woman. You have millions of bleaching cream factory and cream out there. You're talking from Ghana to India to every damn country. And when them fair skin, them still use it. When them born light skin, them still use it. It's just a beauty trend that people use. Now, let me talk. So know what I'm saying, right? It's not right for somebody to bring a my cream about cancer because the cigarette we smoke them say a cancer. The tobacco you take for smoke the weed a cancer. The soda you're drinking is cancer. The sugar you're drinking is cancer. The butter and the oil and all them cheap sitting on the cheap white rice them and the McDonald's and Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts, all the whole pile of sugar and sugar donut the way I kill people, give them heart attack. What you want to tell me say you worry about little Robins? Me never see Robins kill nobody yet. Ask them. I asked them if ever your Robins kill nobody at big old girl. Me know why you don't like me, you know, because remember, so me know your body parts stay dirty, girl. Whosoever is concerned, leave me alone. Because remember, so when you close your leg, you have one big piece of black sitting at hang out there, look like when liver stale. Oh yeah? I saw your tongue stay. Your downstairs tongue, so nobody can't talk about me and text it for me because I know me tell God to make down this a monkey hole. Me feel see a monkey hole make you fly down my chest, baby. Because every time you look down and see, God don't give me a monkey hole, he might give me a monkey face as can to you. But at least he don't give me a monkey hole. Right or wrong? You're too disgraceful and out of order and unforgivable, man. I love everyone. I'm gonna tell you, me and my sister fall out again. I didn't get a chance to see her. I love her. I didn't get a chance to see that girl. The first time we fall out, and the last time we fall out is when she had gave me her bed. And I think it was 400 and I gave her something like 200. I never have the rest of money. I just me sugar daddy them time. Then I try driving to make her money. I never have the money at that time, so I tell her so I never have it. And she come back for the bed and I sleep on the floor the following night. So from them, I never talk, and you talk about more than 15 years ago. A long time. But me always talk good about her on here. And say she went to college, and me always big her up. Everybody always said, your sister, we always a big up? Yeah. Right? Not the one where has a cuss me and the next one told my sister, one next one. Not the one me and her the same father. And imagine to tell me, say, one night me go bed, me getting all kind of crazy dream. Me come on Facebook and say, me go start telling people my dream, because maybe it means something. Me dream about this dead body and this girl that show me and me look around and say, but that look like my sister. Ain't that body look like my sister? So me say, many girl they me talk, but me go make sure know. So watch out, something not something not right, you know, me dream. All of a sudden the next day, my sister me not talk to more than 15 years, call me. She said, she heard that I was asking for her on Facebook. I said, yes, I was asking for you. And so, cause make that be bygone and bygone. And my sister, I love you. So we started talking and she started telling me, listen, I have a shop here doing here. If you want, at any time I could give her a chair and you could come and braid here since you do braid good. I said, I don't do cornrow, she asked. You do cornrow? I said, no, I do box braid like this. Very good. But me not really, I look for nothing like that. Until I say, what I will do, I will let her know if me need anything, me let her know. But right now, I have to do my own thing. I do my own thing. You understand me? I do my YouTube, me there with Uno, transfer to YouTube, me still get my little check. And me still I sell my little cream them in and out of hustle. You understand? And so on. So she said, how is my son? And I told her, how is my son? He's all right. He have a little license, a little literature, literature and thing. He went to Job Corps and thing. She said, oh, because I was looking for somebody to do an estimate, if he's really an electrician. And so on. So she said, where you are, by J? Because I never mentioned anything. And I said, yeah, I'm by J. She's like, he's such a nice guy. You are you and him together? So I said, no, me and him is not together. We only do a little business together and so on, but we're not together. And so on. So she said, oh, one day you must come and look for me. Come and look for me, especially on a Tuesday when I clean up my shop or something. Just come and look for me. So I say, me get some time one day, me come look for you. She said, me not like all that sound. But me tell her, I said, what you mean? One day I will come and look for you, no problem. You know what I mean? She said she never like all that. So I said, one day me will come. So one day me will come, man. But I'm the kind of person like this. Me have to give the spirit time to give me permission to do what I got to do. I can't just get up without the spirit and do anything without the spirit. I have to go by the spirit, being that my experience and everything I went through. Me have to go with the spirit. You understand me? So when you were talking and so on, me saying that my husband like a bleaching cream, and she said, I will never sell bleaching cream to people. Which I understand you will never sell cream to people, but I do sell cream. Because people go all about and buy cream, all about at every store and buy it. And me I make it, the factory I make it. And people want good cream. Because they might get bad cream and the sudden skin mess up and they just want to move the spot. And everybody bleach and continue bleaching. Some people remove the spot and then they don't use no more. And me good them look good and clean. They move the spot and say, so I move a spot, them done, and then I use some more cream. If they want to touch up next year one time or whatever, get the next car, then buy one. Then I buy it like that for say, well, they might try to turn themselves white. Them just move them like a spot and move on. That's what my goodies does. Alright? So anyway, I was saying, I didn't explain that to her. I didn't say, So she said, I said, okay, no problem, because I know how you be from long time, whatever. Remind you, this is my sister that went for modeling in New Jersey, and I follow her, and I was much younger. And remind you, is my same sister that got a job in a strip club downtown Brooklyn as a waitress in. Wearing short skirt and top, and I went to get the same waitressing job, but I only get it for dance. I can't know I have no more waitressing left. But even when you're a waitress, you're working for the mafias, you're wearing a short skirt and top. If a man want to lap dance with you, you have to lap dance with them. So she used to give lap dance. Right? I'm going to show you how people stay. That my mother come down there with a Bible for the 2 hours one time. Right? Because I was working as a dancer and she was working as a waitress. As God be out to strike me and kill me dead. Alright? I'm going to show you like a pint. The modeling thing never turned out to be nothing. Them take this whole bunch of picture charge her this morning and they get a whole box of picture and that's it. You understand? She moved on. She went to college. She was trying to be a news reporter. And that never worked out either. So I guess she went and do the hairdressing. So now she have a shop. God bless her soul. Never come for everybody. Right? Me I run about my life, do my dancing and this and that. Me not say it was 100% good. But it's a lot I've been through. Because when I was young, my same sister here, the one I'm talking about, my brother that never liked me used to put her on his shoulder, me telling her before, and make she use her hand and scratch me up and fight me and put her on the neck. So she can't reach me and use her. I was say it as a joke, but it was not a joke, it's a true thing. Remind me I still love my sister. Right? Bygone, bygone. She talking to me. This happened yesterday, day before yesterday. And so on. And so on. So she said, she was talking about some hairdressing next door to her. And, how them have somebody in their work and blah, blah, blah. Me tell her, I say, sis, me no want you getting on a mix-up with nobody or anything like that. You see me? If I see the girl I work with the shop, I better go and try to take the girl out of that the shop, the for your shop. Nobody come go in your shop or mash up. That's the reason why I want come in your shop, because I don't got my you see me. You say, no, nobody can, because the woman also come to my shop and say, let's leave it as that, because nobody do nothing. Because just concern, you know, and things. She said, all right then. She will talk, Mama text you my cell phone number and call me later. Now, when she said to call her later, she going to text me the cell phone, call her later. I never call her later. And the reason why I did not call her later, I have to take time to breathe in, to take it all in again, to accept my sister with my system, with my Holy Spirit, and go with the Spirit. The Spirit didn't give me a chance to call back. Because first I didn't like what it sounded when she started beating on my Robbins. I'm hustling. It never sounded the way you say it, you know. But we make it give me but I say nothing. So the night gone, the day gone, the night gone, and the day gone. I didn't call. I come on Facebook and I say, y'all, I'm supposed to call my sister if she don't feel no way. But for some reason, whenever I get around for call her, but I'm going to call her. That is because the Spirit is stopping me from calling her. And I have this stubborn feeling not to call, even though I want to do so. So yesterday, I got up and I was going to the city because I've been reminded for the last 2 days we've been busy like hell. All my goodies supporting me. All of them. All of them. So I've been busy getting this, getting that. Uno want cream, them want soap. Uno want that, they want white in chair, but everybody want and look at what they want. You understand me? And I said, let me call her and just tell her, I said, sis, we really want to call because I don't know why the Spirit have me like this, man. But I said, I'm going to force and call her. So I force and call her. God be my witness yesterday. I said, sis, I'm going to call her back for the 2 days I'm supposed to call her back. And so on. I've been up and down and doing my videos and doing the cream and thing, you know, as you know. I've been busy for the last 2 days. And I'm up and down, and so sometimes I do my video. Come on to go YouTube so I can make a little money. So I'm tired and gone to bed. And so on, you know. She said, yeah. But she said, like, what kind of video do you do? And what do you do on the internet? I said, but sis, my mother watch me. My other sisters watch me. If you talk to my mother, you talk to my niece. I'm sure if you say I'm by Jay and I never told you, and you said that I was looking for you on Facebook, you must know that all of it is on the internet. Everybody knows. That means you must see a couple video going viral and people send it to you. You well I know say me popular up on the internet. Well, I not say that to her. So I said to her, I not really say it to like that. I said to her, I said, well, I'm on the internet and I'm just being myself. You know? She said, what do you mean being yourself? Speaking like she's American. What do you mean being yourself? I said, being myself, whatever I am, and the truth of being myself. I do a little music. I like music, you know, from me young, me used to do music. Remind you, this is the same sister my mother used to take me out of my school to go in basic school to comfort her. So she wouldn't cry if you get good education and me not get none. And I said, me I talk bad about nobody, I'm explaining myself, so give me a chance to do so. So yesterday when I was talking, she was like, you know, what you mean being yourself? You were talking about you were doing something in your, you know, downstairs, back part, or something one time on a video, or you were in G-string dancing. I wouldn't call that being popular. I wouldn't call that being famous, you know, like, and I'm saying to myself, you know, what this girl is trying to tell me, you know? What are you trying to tell me? And I didn't know you wanted to be famous. This is what a girl telling me, my own fucking sister, excuse my language. My same sister tell me she never know me want to be famous. And when me talking about on the internet, she don't feel that is famous and it should be. I know me the buyer wind up in a G-string naked as a day me born. And that she hear. So if you hear something, why when you come in and introduce me come at your shop for come bread here, you never say it to me. But you have enough sense to tell me that my mom said I was crazy and all the bad things my mom said about me. But you couldn't tell me that. That's why the Spirit wouldn't let me call you. And the way you fly upon me yesterday and start telling me, like, you know, dancing in G-string and what you want me to tell you, that is right. You was dancing a G-string too. You didn't right on the strip joint and bring on a little and I take the man them dollar and the man them tip same way. You're not better off than me because you might go to college because you still end up with a regular job doing ear where me can sew and weave too. Anybody can sew and weave. And I wasn't going to talk about this, but when I see the comment them start to come out from my cream, I feel it's you doing it. Because you know me busy and my cream I sell, and you don't want me cream sell. So the best to go up on Facebook on the post of cream, this give you cancer, that give you cancer. Well, weave can give you cancer too. And the dead people here know so and people head can get them cancer too. And maggot in their mouth and brain. So now come beat my Robbins. So I said to her, I said, sis, you know what? I love you. I'm not even going to say anything to you or argue with you, but take care and have a nice life. And that's why she hung up the phone before me because I hang up here and she gone. And I said to myself, and when the person comment like mother like daughter, you're talking about yourself. Mother like your mama and you. All I want to. I stay for the whole I want to. And your mama see him once your shop so old broke down shop. She couldn't believe her, so you they catch up. And she never recognize you and she don't want nothing from you. As she said the shop broke down, and me that tell her say your mama say the shop broke down. And if I miss it, so your mama see so. The one who can chat me on the water and say me tell me answer me this and that. So what? So what? And you never do nothing for me. You remember when me did sell it as cotton to you? And me live over Shepherd Avenue. And a strip joint me did live in her. But when you couldn't find money for make up for your rent, you come. I make you make backyard for go dry it out to myself. Don't it. Yeah, but no. I don't know you want to be a celebrity. I didn't know you're this, you're that, like what like me or something. Some say me put a skin out my rasp and I wouldn't fear your business. It wouldn't be your business even if it's that I was doing. It wouldn't concern you. It's not your business. I'm your elder sister. It's not your business. So you're definitely coming back to tear me down for come working in your shop and eat you. If you can sit on Brady every day. When me can sell 2 bottles of cream, I'm done in 5 minutes. Me can sell 2 bottles of cream and make over $300 with 2 soap. Eh? And me go come in your shop all day, go sit down and eat you. You never want to see people go. You always have to be on top. You don't want to see nobody rise. You must always underneath them like thinking about you. All fall back at them like Gigi Fly. Always. You must be on. But me love you. And God bless you all. Bless your mom. Bless your brothers. Bless your sisters. Bless all of you. Bless all of you. And when I died, I will die in peace. Like I said, mom gonna die alone. Oh, she's gonna die alone. That bitch gonna die alone. You gonna die alone. Just the same as your mother too. Don't involve me in all the shit. Because guess what? You come for come draw me out. You come for come get fame. Well, here is it. I can reply to the people then. Because remember, you know, me no bother nobody. And me no trouble nobody. Me done talk with the family now. Me done with that. Move on to the next girl empire. So now we're running after stinking mouth. Who know what the empire run off on the mouth. And I can talk about this and talk about that. Me no business boy. Who no want to talk say. The end of the day I work and I do. Me have to do. Who sit down and still a catch man and I suffer and can't find bread. Who still a suffer and can't find bread. While me I try hustle and I pray to God. Damn out of order. One come knock my Robbins when you no alligator kill. Some of you black never fit on you. And I realize that the food them on the yam and the old preservative make you turn black. When the things are so born black. And the skin get rough like alligator kin. Now come beat on my Robbins. Well, I want to come beat on my Robbins. We can't tell her that. If I come beat on my Robbins, no black alligator kin. So the kin on a natural black that kind of look good. You know fit on you. Kevin see on the night. If you not skin the teeth and in the white, nobody not fine on you. Please. Black is beauty. And I respect all black. I mean, I bleach because I want to be brown in. I bleach because I feel like it. You know, goody? Because I can go back dark. I'm very dark skin and beautiful. And I come and see you here. I'm going to go back all the time. Look at my skin. Now I go to them see my skin. I never try to go white yet. Look at me. I never try to go white yet. Good. One already no come and take me on that dirty plastic one I put on the body part. Come take me on. Come take me on. And someone to I wanna come over here. I mean no says I like a gang gonna prove up against me and get all these people coming. If you come and bring me. But you can't win me and not clot. You can't win me because the blood of Jesus is with me. You can't win me. And me done with family. I'm done. I wash my hands clean, ma'am. Sir, brother, sister, or else. Me never have one brother. And how much brother me have? I must have 7 or 8 of them. Never one. How much sister me have? 4. Eh? And me alone here. Okay? Me alone and God. Because me tired of the prosecution. Me tired of it. People say you know what, Yvette? If you never go back and talk to the girl, that could never happen to you. You give people too much chances. Too much chances. Go your way and just slow everything. Just forget it. Don't try, do not and try to be good. Just, sometimes try to be good, it doesn't work out, better be a bitch. Just leave it and go. Leave it and go, man. Leave it and go. And lick up bleaching cream this, bleaching cream that. But walk and do with so much magnified, take so much stinking condom I use. We are going to cancel no home. Can I get so much man if you keep changing them? Using plastic, you can't do with the natural man, so if you use plastic, you not worry about that. You not worry about the Chinese rat fried rice, you sit down and yam every damn day. And the young dog grip tip. Let me tell you something, man. You see, I realize with people, I really analyze people and realize the food is really screwing their brain, dog. Me say the food was really screwing their brain. The food got them really high, them turn idiot. I am telling you, them no conscious, and when they see me be like that, like, oh, something is wrong with her. Something wrong with you. Come on for the McDonald's and the Burger King, a big junk of pork chops, human meat. I eat a go up in on the brain, and you can't see clear and see what the world is about. Look at Robbins now do nothing to your kin. Every day you shall have dead skin. And let's go use some bad fake sitting where China make. Look at Robbins now do nothing to your top of your kin. You go back right back there. Me have good with dark skin and pretty and then buy Robbins from me. She just use a little color. She don't want, clean, make her skin soft and pretty. You can look up on my Robbins and someone need Robbins for herself. I want big black boy, I see one jet come talk about goody look. The woman, big woman, that look big and cheesy, damn out harder. If you see the boy face turn up like a bullfrog and look like he live on some Lego beast, woman, you see? If you see him face look like him just have him face set on a crutch as a Lego beast. Him face look like, I can't explain him face so come talk about him. Look for the boy him big and fat and how he need to lose weight and cheesy. He must know what cheese I talk about when his skin over him banana. He have a right for you call me cheese. Because him know what cheese farm and why you're supposed to look like. Me not look like that, baby, look good. Me not cheesy like you, big belly man. When you come and talk about me, must look cheesy. My beard, me not look cheesy, look good. Look good. No cheese over here, so look good. And me wash everywhere, look good. Look good, no cheese over here, so look good. No cheese over here, so dog. No cheese over here, so look good. I can't talk about him big old swarty black boy. About him a dread. Some of them are talk about them a dreadlocks. Them a wedlock, a idiot them boy there. Come talk about. Want some of my bleaching cream to look like human. Face rough and have some bumpy look like great up on your damn jaw. I come talk about bleaching cream. I lick out, some of them lick out bleaching cream. And the whole them face spotty. Look like a leopard queen. A leopard queen that, come out in the night. If you can't walk outside at the daytime, you have to hide. You have to hide, yo. All a big sun at them away hoodie over them face. Some big old black bump and spot around them mouth. It's like when they go suck John, they get yars around them mouth, dog. Yars around them mouth, man. They can't take like Robbins and take the yars from the Johnny to come out from them mouth. If yars around them mouth. What they say? Yars around him. You can't tell them what's doing a great job, man. Great job, hallelujah. Yars around them mouth. Now, girl can't contact me, because some of them can't show their kneecap. Some of them kneecap gone. This is why I see one picture and I say, oh, Lord have mercy. When I see a bitch kneecap is gone and she not praying to the God, you know what she doing. When you see her kneecap is gone and rubbed out and bust up, the kneecap, black and bust up, she bend on her knees all the time, but she's not praying. She not pray to Allah. No. You understand? She doing something else on the knees, bending down on the knees, doing something else. That's why I need to them rub out so they don't lift pan on the knee. One can raise up on the frack and come out and show on the knee. You just see some kneecap there, and an easy rug burn them there. And an easy dirt burn them there. And an easy ground burn them there. You understand me? Because I witnessed that happened to me years ago one time, and that's what I found out about it. I was like, my knees was killing me. I'm serious. And I was to my boyfriend like, my knees are killing me, man. When I look, one of my knees rose up, and he told me what it was. And I said, good God of mercy. Yeah, I was like, no. He said, yeah, it's from me and you. And then he said, damn, no. I'll never do it again. The one on my knee, has a bust up. The one I saw. You hear me? So that's why you can't tell some woman they're not good. I left the extra the kneecap. It's like a fingerprint. You can't tell. Believe you, me, not lie me, I tell. Look one enough girls and brown and rub every day, the kneecap black. That's because the pressure upon the nail while blacking up by irritating. It can't come light. If you cream your light, if you put cream on your knee, it will come light. If you see now come light and she just up in a short clothes and need them black, you say, oh Lord, that's a carpet queen, honey. That's a carpet queen, honey. Ain't no way you can say nothing, but that's a damn carpet queen. You say, hello, carpet queen. You know that's a rug burn on a damn knees. Knees them gone. One time I couldn't even run. I got saved me. And my kneecap I fall out. You think I joke? I don't joke thing. A lot of women is out there and men. Some of the man them too. Them have them walking with stick and them bend up. I rug I that do them so. Take your time on your knees to praise the Lord. Don't use the rug on your knees. A rug burn, a work for Satan plant up on your back. You're gonna hate me for the facts. But I tell you much, my knees ain't been hurting me no more for a long time now since I'm seeking God. I tell you, since I've been seeking the Lord, my knees don't be hurting me at all, child. My kneecap is sound and safe and ready to land. But only for praying. Yeah? Because I've learned, when you do wrong stuff and think you get away with it, you don't. You just don't. Somebody gonna see you start walking and trying like that and the kneecap is gone. Because there's no way your kneecap's supposed to be like that. Only when you have pressure on your back and your knees, it messed up your kneecap. I'm telling you straight up, that's a facts. Sis, I love you, man. I'm gonna miss you. I ain't gonna see you again. I swear to God I do. That's why I ain't curse you or nothing, but I explain myself today. Just in case you go tell somebody a story different, they could understand where we're coming from. I know you ain't no different from me. That's why I have to explain, because I don't feel good keeping it inside. I like to tell the truth. I feel more free when everybody know what's going on. Because they know something was going to go on, because I had that vision before you even call. Damn flies. You don't get out of here. Yeah, man. May I tell you, your knees are important. You tell the story of your life. You use your knees too much, you can't. Enough of them can't wear high shoes no more. Them have to wear flats. You know, see how Wendy only can't wear flat nowadays. Wendy used to wear a lot of heel. Wendy can't even do it no more. Big up yourself, Wendy Williams. Can't even do it no more. And I love Wendy and I watch her. But that's what happened to her kneecap. She can't even do the heels anymore, you know. Say it like you mean it. Yeah, I can't do no more. I'm telling you, it's the truth. I love you guys, you know. I don't like to get upset. I swear I don't. I really don't. You see, Goody, I'm from the country. I want to tell you all something. I'm from the country, right, Goody? And, excuse me, I don't know a lot about technology, right? So it's like every time I'm going on other people's channel, look, I'm trying to learn how to get you all. You actually could come on here and talk to me like I make a phone call and I could see you. I didn't know that until today. God damn it, y'all couldn't tell me, man. That you could come up like a phone call and you could talk and you could get up and somebody else could come on and I could actually see you live. That's when I try to add people. I don't be seeing them when I touch a add thing. They cut off and then gonna laugh or something. Yeah, I like that. So when we do the calling, you can actually come in here and we could talk face to face. That's good. Then on the peer phone, that's really good. What's his number for here? Don't put your number up on the line. Don't do that. If you want to inbox somebody your number, you inbox it. Don't put it on the line because you're going to be blocked for that. Yeah, don't put your number up there. Yeah. You know, you can't put your privacy, your number on unless you're selling something on my line, then that's different. Then you can't do that. Well, it depends on what you're selling. Depends on what you're selling. If you're not selling cream like I'm selling. Because some of them want to talk about my bleaching cream, you know, and try to get nobody enough to buy it, and then they sell for them one. The same one I put 8 on it, and them same one I try to sell for them one. But you know, like if you know, say my one I sell. So let's say something bad about, you know, get for one sell, and we see one sell. You know, dirty, nasty. You know, corruption like dog vomit doing it. You know, coming like a dog vomit, so. So boy, why on the stairs, so boy? I can't understand what they stay, so boy. I can't understand, man. Steve Walker show. I don't understand, man. You remember when he used to throw the chair like that? Remember when Steve used to throw the chair like that? Oh, that's all he does is throw the chair. Yeah. You know what I mean? God damn it. I'm mad, you know, but I'm just trying to be cool because it's not nice to be a certain way. Present yourself. You know, I'm mad though, you know. I'm mad like that, man. I'm mad like that. Y'all want to blame me, say, I smoke crap, bitch. What you talking? I can spit right in your mouth. You better hold that. Yeah, man, I don't like that, man, you know. Trying to beat my stuff. Trying to beat my stuff. Trying to stop me from making $1. How you gonna try to stop me from making $1? And blackers, you all these black people talking about why people did me this, why people do me that, and people do me that, and they don't like you. Why should they like you if you don't like on your own? Why should they like you if you don't like your own? If you don't like your own, who should like you? When you hate me, your kids have a hard life. When you hate people, your business don't work out. You're always going to have a whole little bottom place. It's not going to work if your mind ain't good. Your mind got to be good for your business to prosper and for people to be around you. You got to be serious. I know that, well, this is the last chance to do right. And do right. Don't try to be bad. Don't try to be bossy. You can't tell me, oh, but you get this, like here's my mother. You're my father. I have to answer to you. Come on. When you're family, you're just family. You know? Yes, you can advise me, but now it's too late. When you're supposed to advise me, don't come out of that already. Them time should have advised me not know when me out of that. Don't use it against me now when you have your own past, my nigga. I love you, man. Sorry this shit work out like that. I love you, man, but that's all, like you're hating me for something I don't even know. You know what I mean? Y'all don't stand here skin your teeth. Because some of y'all skin your teeth and it's because you have a problem. You know what your problem is? You were born with an ugly twat. Very ugly twat, oh. That thing look like a monster. So you're going to have a problem with me. Because you feel I'm the one who cursed you, make you born with such an ugly rat-faced twat. It's not me make you born with a big, long rat-faced twat. Like when rat peep into a whole damn drawers. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Every time you look down and see that rat face, you mad at me. I didn't do a damn thing. So when y'all want to come in here and talk, come in here and talk because I ain't doing nobody nothing. Not one jack. Not one jack. What? No, one jack. Hopscotch, one jack. I didn't do nothing. You know what I mean? Want beat on my little rubbings on my thing. Want come stop my thing from the floor. Want go back to Jamaica. Rude girl have to go home. See me I stay in America. I'm now in Berlin. So if I go back to Jamaica, I have to hustle my thing. I don't want to and I can't sit down here and talk. He ain't not make nothing with me. Because I black out in the control and so much I don't go now. And the little eat and I come I catch you after. Whole day I black me. You know see me tired now. I work with upon your computer where I couldn't know. Otherwise I'll full up with more how it is now. But more is there to come. Because I set me trap to catch them in. You know, do something when they run, come and start out. That's how you catch them. Because you can't catch them other times. You have to wait until their birthday come up. When I fake profile, they tell you, oh, for them forget. When they put it hook up with, and they tell them your birthday, when the alarm to you realize a fake profile. You're not getting a birthday, you're black. Fake. You know, these niggas want to jealous. Yo, they want to jealous, man. They want to jealous for my life. Why they want to jealous? Because I believe in Jesus Christ. Yo, he's the only one can make the dead rise. When they're talking, man, them only advertise. Yo, the money have to come in the stripe. Yo, you the one night can't stop me. God alone, yes, and him got me. Gun panic up, me one shot me. God alone, yes, and him got me. Aye, pooperoo and pooperoo like cockarooka do. Yeah, what the cock say in the afternoon. Yo, them a pose. But all them posing, killing themselves for vanity. God that me chose. Yo. Them already in the coffee, dead on a bed, them smell the rose, yeah. Some of them want to trick me, life. Then I say me life, alright, right. Jaina, me life make me smile. While some of them come in like a dirty tile, in a dirty bathroom. Smell them like I did too. Them a come and think me car too. Them a come like and think me awful, ooh, bitch, what you gonna do? Don't bitch them come by and get we recognize. Them a come be a star. One man of them all about the place. And I cut them up in a old dirty car. Them not get nowhere in a life so far. What I mean them come in cause the devil and them apart. Big old girl go and go sit down your life done. So worry about me, cause me a try, cause me just a come. Big old girl, you fi go and go sit down. I know me life come and me done now. Oh. Pose them a pose up. See the wicked them come and whisper in her ears up. Doesn't get me tears, I fade on tears up. Pull up me ganja script, make me blaze up. See me life strong, me not go phase up. When them a sit down and attack, and me a think every day in my mind. Me have to get the money, cause me bright like a morning light. You know me, Jah give me blessing, cause I him have me type, cause me bright like a morning light. Yo, I also the fool them want to stop me. I also them want to come block me. You may hang up and come back. That's the reason why.